Welcome to the EPO training videos. Part 2, 1. How to import from Excel. Click on the Excel file option to start a new model by importing data from Excel. A pop-up window will be opened, guiding you through the import wizard. Click on Next to proceed. First step is to choose an Excel file to import. Click on the text box. Choose the Excel workbook. Then click on Open. Available worksheets will be shown here. Choose the worksheet that you would like to import. Click on Next to proceed. Second and last step is to define unit, attribute and variable columns. Based on the imported data, EPO automatically recognizes and assigns column types. You can change the type of a column by simply clicking on the top of the column, where the type is given. Let's change the security columns type to unit, where we have the name of the seg-listed companies. To have one single column, as a unique identifier, we can merge unit columns by just clicking the respective action button. Then we have the ticker and security columns merged into one unit column. When you are done with changing the column types, you can click on Next to finalize the data import process. Note, you can also change the column types after importing the data. When the import is completed, you will have a summary of the imported data. Click on Finish to close the wizard. Now you are ready to work on your data. Thanks for watching.